What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about pocket options trading platform. And in this video, we are going to walk you through how to trade on pocket option for beginners. Pocket Option Trade is a comprehensive trading platform offering a range of financial instruments and tools for traders. With a user-friendly interface and access to various markets, Pocket Option Trade provides a seamless trading experience for both novice and experienced traders alike. To start trading on Pocket Option, the first step is to create an account. This involves registering with the platform by providing basic information such as name, email, and password. You can choose from various registration methods, including signing up with an email address or using your Facebook or Google accounts. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify it by providing identification documents and address proof. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your account and funds are protected from unauthorized access. After verifying your account, you need to deposit funds to start trading. Pocket Option offers various deposit methods, including credit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount varies depending on the method chosen, but it is typically around $10 to $250. Once you have deposited funds, you can access your account balance and start trading. The next step is to select the asset you want to trade. Selecting an asset involves choosing from a diverse range of options such as currencies, commodities, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and indices. Each asset class has distinct characteristics and is influenced by specific market conditions. Understanding the dynamics and trends of the asset you select is crucial for effective trading, as it allows you to make informed decisions based on factors like economic indicators, geopolitical events, and technical analysis. By conducting thorough research and staying updated on market news, you can enhance your trading strategy and increase the likelihood of making profitable trades on Pocket Option. Once you have chosen your asset, you need to set the trade parameters. This includes setting the trade amount, which can be as low as $1, and the trade duration. You can also choose whether you think the price will go up or down within the selected time frame. It's crucial to set realistic goals and manage your risk by setting stop loss and take profit levels. The final step is to place the trade. After setting your trade parameters, you can click the buy or sell button to execute the trade. If your prediction is correct, you will receive a predetermined payout, usually between 70 to 90% of your investment. If your prediction is incorrect, you will lose your investment. It's essential to monitor your trade and adjust your strategy accordingly to minimize losses and maximize profits. Start on your trading journey with Pocket Option's diverse range of assets and user-friendly platform. By understanding market dynamics and trends, you can make informed decisions and optimize your trading strategy for success. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.